Oh, I can still see it. Right, let me try and just blend it out a bit more. Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then thank you so much for coming and clicking on this video, and if you are a regular, then thank you also for coming back. So this video is going to be about brows. If you've watched most of my previous videos, you would have seen that I don't usually do much to my brows. I just concealed them with a bit of LA Girl Pro concealer, and that's about it, because my brows are quite full as it is. It's not too thin, but I thought for definition's sake, I guess, I would probably try and do something else to them. Before the video, I kind of did a quick bit of plucking because I haven't been to my eyebrow lady since December. Oh, I know, that's pretty bad. And I have done one of my brows off camera. Can you tell which one has been done off camera? But yeah, it's this one that's been done off camera. It's I think it looks a bit more defined actually than how my brows usually look. So I'll be using the Benefit Soft and Natural Brow Kit for this look. I've heard a lot about the Benefit brow range, and I really wanted to give it a try because why not? And I thought as one of my first kits to get, I thought I would get this one. I originally just wanted the pencil. My shade is number 6. I've been eyeing it up for a couple of weeks, and then when I finally went to buy it, they had sold out. So instead I had to buy the kit instead. So this retails at £31.50, but if it's just the pencil that you want, then it's £20. So I guess you're getting a bit more for your money because you're getting 4 things in here. Enough jibber jabber in. I'm just gonna get down to it. In the kit, they also give you some stencils and the little holder to hold it whilst you do it. And they give you 2 different stencils. The first one is for straight brows. So if you want a straight brow, then that's the one that you'd use. And if your brows are more straight and you want it to be more straight, then you just use that one. And if you like the arched look, which is my brows are naturally arched, so this is the one that I would use. So this is what it looks like. So that's the arch brow one. So I'm not gonna lie, I did try to use this arch brow stencil, but it just it's just a little bit hard, but I'll try to do it for you a little bit on camera. So what you do is you put it into this little holder thing, so technical. So you put it into this holder, and then I'm going to take the Goof Proof brow pencil in number 6. And so it has the pencil on one side, and it's kind of like a teardrop. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's like a teardrop shape. And then it has the spoolie on the other side. So first I'm going to show you how you would use the stencil. So yeah, you line it up to your brows, and then you kind of draw underneath. I don't know if you can see that. It's coming off, so that's why, yeah, I didn't think so yeah, I don't think I'm going to use this because I don't really need it, to be honest with you. So I'm just gonna put that to the side. And I'm gonna grab my mirror, as I rely a lot on my mirror for these videos. So yeah, I'm just gonna draw a line under my brows. I really love this shade because it really matches my natural colour. So that's the bottom line drawn. I'm just gonna go on the top part of my brows as well, and just draw on that as well. My brows are naturally quite thick, so I don't really need much filling in, but for the sake of this video, I will fill in my brows just to show you what it looks like. That is that. So next up, I'm going to take the spoolie part of the pencil and just brush that out. Just distribute the pencil evenly across my brows and just to blend it in really. That's blended out. So the third step is to take the highbrow pencil, which looks like this, and it basically highlights your brows. So you just put it on the bottom of your brow. It's quite a creamy consistency as well. Oh, I've got a bit of my brow fixed. So I think this colour was originally like made for lighter skin women, but I'm making it work for me, okay guys? I'm making this work for me. I'm just going to rub that in, or blend it out really, so that you can't see it as much. Oh, we can still see it. Right, let me try and just blend it out a bit more. So the final step is the 24-hour brow setter. This is what it looks like. So you just apply this to your brow, and as it says, just to set it. And voila! This is my finished brows. What do you think, guys? I think the creamy pencil is probably a bit too light for my skin, but that's the only colour they gave me in the set that was for my brows. But yeah, I think I can work with it, and I can also put a bit of foundation over it. As a matter of fact, I might just do that now quickly. Right, so I'm back. I've put a little bit of foundation on my skin just to blend it out a little bit, but my first impressions of this brow kit is that it's actually really good. I like the simple steps to it. It's not too overcomplicated. It's just pencil, it's spoolie just to brush it out, and then just to apply some setting on it, and a bit of highlighter for the underbrows just to give it a bit of a boost. Let me know down in the comments if you have tried this brow kit before and what you thought of it, and also if you have tried another brow kit that you would recommend that's better than this one, if you have tried this one. But yeah, if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment down below. And if you like this video enough to subscribe, that would be amazing also. And I will see you in the next video.